Good morning guys, I'm going to show you how to do a speed skater. This doesn't necessarily mean jumping so wide that you create a lot of impact. It's actually really good in the frontal plane, which is the plane of movement that runs across the body, to really look after the knee and not allow your knee to take too much pressure as you do any plyometric or explosive movement. So have a go and have a look. Jump laterally, and as you jump laterally, touch the inside of the foot that you land on. So you can see here guys, I'm trying to stay low, but I'm trying to extend my spine up as well at the same time, so that I'm staying full through the chest, shifting my weight side to side and touching the inner side of that foot as I do it. So I'm trying to keep my chin and chest up and keeping my weight absorbing and taking the impact of the floor very, very well through my legs. This is a great alternative to your squat jumps, your lunge jumps, especially if your lunge jump is really getting into the knee and you're pushing too much through the toe. You want to do lateral work because it's going to be much better for your knees, much more hinge at your hips, so get your upper body over it. You see, here rather than there, pressing your knees forward and getting into your toes. I hope that helps guys. I look forward to seeing it in a live class, in a tutorial or a YouTube video soon. Cheers guys.